Alejandro Rodriguez. This is my submission for Lab 3 in the DSF class. For this circuit, we use a 7408 chip. This is a quad AND chip. Essentially, what this chip does is, if it receives a logic 1 from here and a logic 1 from here, it will output a logic 1. If these two are not equal, it will output a logic 0. In this case, the output from a 555 timer is wired to one of the inputs of the 7408 chip. The other input is wired directly from VCC and is controlled by this momentary switch. What this means is, while this circuit, the 555 timer, is passing its square wave to the quad AND chip, it will not output a logic 1 unless this momentary switch is pressed so that a logic 1 can also be passed to the quad AND chip. Once both states are at logic 1, the quad AND chip will output a logic 1 through this blue wire, go through this resistor, and to this blue LED. This means that LED 0 and LED 2 will be in synchronous states as they both receive the same square wave generated by this 555 timer. LED 1 is simply there just to indicate when this switch 1 is pushed down. You'll now see how the circuit works. LED 0 is receiving its input directly from this 555 timer. Once this switch is pressed, the square wave will be sent to LED 2, which will match this frequency, and LED 1, which will be in a solid state.